MTH Bump and Go trolley from 2009. So it's just a trolley, goes around in circles, nothing too special about it. If it hits a bumper or car, which I'm going to demonstrate here, at these ends it's going to change direction. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see. I think I already said I got this set in 2009 at the little Christmas store nearby. They have a lot of Christmas trains. I also have a few Halloween trains. I can't remember the exact name of the store right now, but it's basically a year-long Christmas store, and they also had trains running up in the second store. So this is sort of a present. One thing about when you hit the car, this is a really light pull express car, so, you know, it moves the car a lot when it hits it, compared to the trolley that easily weighs more than the car does. So that's why when it hits the bumper, it doesn't move, because there's a lot of weight, you know, on the track. And if it was a normal, probably straight line, it may be able to move the bumper just a little bit, because this isn't a set that's bolted down to the table. This is just a, you know, it's not a year-long train rail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just switch the direction. Actually, I didn't let that out. So I'm just going to take this car off the track. I'm just going to let the trolley run in its standard, just conventional standard mode around in a circle. Just a little nice set you can get. This one, you can just see the box. I just have it lying over there on the side. It's just a MTH set. It comes with 8 pieces of 031 screws, realtrax. Just a little transformer. It's not like these line L1s. It's just a transformer that gives it power, nothing else. Just hook up to the track, it runs in a circle. Nothing too special. I really just like the idea of the trolley in general, and I can always use the track for whatever else I need to. I mean, just circular track, I can make it maybe a trolley in the sky type of thing. The trolley's sitting on risers, have a third line of fast track risers. Have a expansion port, so yeah, I could do a high and sky trolley ride. Just went around a circle and I've got 2 trains underneath it.